This is out for justice. This is straight up for out for justice. This is for the ACLU. This is for Amnesty International. This is for House Bill 0670. This is for Police Accountability 2021. I'm a whistleblower. I'm a filmmaker. I'm an activist. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore Block. I'm also a member of Out for Justice. And I do a lot of work for Out for Justice. And I'm into my feelings today. I called a Zoom call the other day, Out for Justice, Amnesty International, ACLU, and y'all told me I couldn't participate in the Zoom call. GOP Carter, Nicole Mundo. Nicole Mundo used to work for GOP Carter back in 2008 when I started this. All right? I was making a movie and a documentary about race and racism in the courts. I was making a movie about a documentary about the war on drugs. Governor O'Malley approved this program in 2006, November 28th, 2006. It was called the Get Shorty program. It was Get Shorty, all right? 2007, I went home on vacation. I came back on probation. On May 8th, 2008, President Obama asked for a full investigation into my incarceration. This is about mass incarceration in your prison industry and the war on drugs. This is about out for justice. In 2021, it ain't going to be just us. This paperwork I gave y'all got this. GOP Carter got it. The Maryland Black Caucus got it. Congressman Cummings got it. It's for a federal investigation into my kidnapping. I was an Illinois resident, a Baltimore City resident. See that? Now, Senator Cardin's got this. Mikulski got this. The Maryland Black Caucus got this in 2008. Mayor Pugh got this. Mayor O'Malley got this. You see this? It says investigate within 60 days. All right. I went home on vacation in 2007 to file a class action lawsuit to end the war on drugs, to address the violence in Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and Lake County, Illinois. You got a legal notice in Waukegan, Lake County, Illinois, and you got a legal notice here in Maryland, and President Obama got a case file on me. President Biden got that file too. That's President Obama. He asked for the investigation. That's President Obama. That's Martin Luther King, and it's Black History Month. On February the 2nd, 2011, I blew the whistle on Scott Schellenberger and Governor O'Malley's mom machine. I turned in Scott Schellenberger. I turned in Scott Schellenberger. I turned in Governor O'Malley. And I turned in Bank of America, SunTrust Bank. I was showing you the money you make behind the prison industry. And like I said, all my paperwork is legal. I gave all this information to Scott Schellenberger before I got locked up. I put that toilet in Towson in 2011, 10 years ago to this day. All right? On Super Bowl Sunday, I put that toilet out there. On Monday morning, I went to district court and we did renters court. We're going to talk about Martin O'Malley's wife, Kate O'Malley, Judge O'Malley. Because like I said, we're talking about court and justice in the courts. You use your positions of power to shield the corruption. Like I said, GOP Carter had this. Nicole Mundo had this. Hassan Giordano had this. Ivan Bates had this. Our black leadership had this. And when Martin Luther King was locked up, he wrote letters from a Birmingham jail. It was talking about the haves and the have-nots. This is my letter from the Birmingham jail. All right? That's me in Lake County, Illinois. And that's Althea Walsh from the Attorney Disciplinary Committee in Illinois. And the Attorney Disciplinary in Illinois and in Maryland going to have to investigate this case because, like I said, I was kidnapped. We're going to occupy the courts in 2021 because in 2012 I did the same thing. We're talking about public accommodations and the right to occupy the courts. I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland and I was kidnapped by the state of Illinois for making a documentary about the war on drugs, N62528. Nicole Mundo knew about this since the beginning, and I ain't never put my fight on the top of the list. I fight for Kelly Davis. I fight for Tawanda Jones. I fight for the people that are less fortunate than me because I ain't worried about me. I won my fight. I beat you in court in 2011 at the conclusion of a trial. I'm supposed to be compensated for my losses. You took my truck, you took my computer, and you took 13 years worth of film and footage. The war on drugs is a war on the black community, and during Black History Month, that's why I did what I did. I used the toilet to do it, because a toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. So Nicole Mundo, ACLU, Amnesty International, NAACP, Ben Jealous, Stephanie Smith, Delegate Stephanie Smith, Baltimore City Delegation, Baltimore County Delegation, the Maryland Black Caucus. All the evidence I done gave y'all since 2008 when I started this, all the evidence that President Obama asked for this investigation since 2008 need to be put on the table in 2021. I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country, and my own black leadership don't want to defend me. Ivan Bates know all about this. There ain't no statute of limitations when the court commits the fraud. Dwight Pettit know about this. Warren Brown, J. Wendell Gordon. I can name the names of all the judges, the lawyers, and the politicians that want to protect this war on drugs and protect this criminality in the Democratic Party. You created a criminal enterprise, and there's 52 of y'all that need to go to jail. I filed a class action lawsuit for $2.5 billion. That was in Illinois, and you locked me up, and you took that money, and you took the evidence. On February the 20th, 2008, State Attorney Ken LaRue went to the Waukegan Police Department and removed evidence from the police department. That evidence was never returned to me. It was court ordered to be returned to me. On February the 7th, 2011, Scott Schellenberger kidnapped me because I was going to Las Vegas, Nevada to bury my mother. She died February the 2nd. Nicole Mundo know this. So this is kind of personal to me, because y'all know all these things about this case and this situation, but y'all silent. And then you try to keep me silent from participating in the process.